Go.
Now, the Peep sour watermelon.
Let me see.
It sounds nasty.
This is a Peep sour watermelon that we got from Halloween.
Who even knows? How do you open it?
Next time, have something efficient next to you.
No.
Like a scissor.
Oh my god.
Always be prepared.
Wrappers are fucking easy to open though. People can just eat it. It's stuck to the wrapper. No, you open it wider then. Okay, whatever. How inconvenient.
Okay, so you're saying that
The
experience is degraded because the wrapper is not easy to open. So wrapper takes a star off, takes a rating down. See, it knocks the rating down. Be logical. Ew, it doesn't even look like a Peep. What is it? Show it.
What is it?
Got to show it closer. Can't see it. It looks like yeah, something interesting. So, I mean, if it's supposed to actually look like a Peep, it no longer looks like a Peep. It's supposed to be well, at least they have color on the outside and color on the inside. That actually gives you kind of like a nice complex feature, right? There's complexity to it. Is there a different flavor between the spray green and the inside pink, or is it all one flavor?
That's all.
We're trying to take it deep.
Oh my god. Try it. Ew, what is this? Try it. It tastes nasty.
Do I have to try it?
Yeah.
Tastes good. Tastes what you expect a Peep to taste like.
I don't like that.
A mild watermelon flavor with the crunchy outside sugary coating.
2.
So yeah, there's 2 flavors. The sugar and the marshmallow. 3 flavors and the watermelon.
What? An official statement. Sour and watermelon taste nasty with marshmallow.
But the sweet balance.
No, there's no sweet in
the outer coating sugar is a sweet. That means it's balanced, more balanced than you would give it credit for.
Sour.
It is.
Yeah.
I think you might be right. But sweet and sour simultaneously, which gives it a balanced yin-yang complexity.
Oh. Okay. What did it look like? A booger? Yes.
Alright, so are we on the next one?
What's next?
Hold on, let's take a look. This is the pile of stuff that they are reviewing.
Chopstoppers? A lot of stuff everyone already knows what it tastes like.
So,
no.
You're reviewing it.
Here's the one element they don't know how you think it tastes like.